Let's take a closer look at the activity wall. The activity wall is located at the bottom of the Site Details page. Here, project members can communicate and leave each other messages, status updates, or attach photos or other documents. The default view of the activity wall offers a space to leave comments, photos, and attachments. Members can also assign tasks, such as signing documents, to other team members. Please note this is not to be confused with assigning documentation to another team member. The assignment button here will only allow users to view the assignment history of documents. You can assign a document for completion or signature from the Documents section at the top of the Site Details page. These options can be toggled on or off to customize your Activity Wall dashboard. The Activity Wall is a place to post updates and communication, connect project members, comment on project status, post pictures of test results and equipment serial plates, upload any attachments, and track activity. To leave a comment, such as a status update or communication for a team member, type your message in the space provided and click Post. You can also attach pictures or attachments to your post using the buttons. Attaching a photo can be especially useful for HERS raters using the activity wall. Uploading photos that have been GPS and time-stamped will generate a map of the location in the photo to show proof of your actions. Team members can document as much as they want using photos, file attachments, or messages in this space. Anyone that is a member of your project will be able to see your activity. Click the blue Continue button below this video to proceed with the tutorial.